anything in general that you want to do, stop doubting yourself. Because then what happens? You hear someone else do it, right? And then you're like,
Yeah.
I had that idea, but I thought it was stupid. If you want to do it, go do it. Stop saying no and say yes. Because if you're trying 100 times, you're not going to fail 100 times. Guarantee you. You know what I'm saying? Bet on yourself every time. Try as many times as you can. Because the average is going to average up. And the more you try, the average is going to keep going up. You know what I mean?
Absolutely. In other words, you ain't always wrong. Okay, you're
Yeah.
not always wrong. So in other words, keep an eye out because he'll be back on the dating show again because you gotta try.
You have to. You have to. And listen, you got to get booed off stage.
Yes,
You have to
yes.
get booed off stage at least once in your life.
You gotta do it. Gotta do it.
Because some of you haven't been booed off stage and it shows.
That's a fact.
Okay?
That's actually that's a great.